Hello guys, and welcome back again to my English vocabulary lesson today. Today I'm going to be going over two brand new English vocabulary words that you must know in English. But before we get started, as always guys, please like my page and hit that subscribe button down there for me if you have not already done so. And as always guys, it would be greatly appreciated. So what two words am I talking about today? English vocabulary words I'm talking about. I'm talking about bear, B-E-A-R, and bear, B-A-R-E. So please bear with me with these two English vocabulary words today. These two words I'm speaking about, bear and bear, they are called homophones in the English language. Again, so what are homophones? Homophones are English words that sound similar and have totally two different meanings, and they also spell differently. So, the two words I'm speaking about again, the first one, bear, B-E-A-R. What is a bear? Do you know what a bear is? A bear is those grizzly bears, those bears that we see in the forest, those bears that we see at the zoo. We don't want to get too close to those bears, do we? I just gave you two examples about what a bear is. Most people know what a bear is, but I just want to make sure you know the differences between this bear I just explained to you and the bear, B-A-R-E. The word bear, B-A-R-E, means to go without. The English dictionary explanation of the word bear, B-A-R-E, is to have without clothes, no clothes on, bear. I know sometimes we like to bear ourselves around the house nakedly, but I'm not going to show you any pics showing this type of vocabulary. You know what I mean. But we barely, the sentence, I'm going to add L-Y to the word B-A-R-E, B-A-R-E-L-Y. We barely like to get up in the morning to go to work. Do we? We don't like to go to work early in the morning, do we? We barely eat our vegetables. Do you barely eat your vegetables? It means to go without again. To be bare, means B-A-R-E, to be bare means to go without. So those are the two explanations of these two English vocabulary words today that you must know in English. Again, guys, the more vocabulary words that you understand, comprehend, get it in your mind, stick it in your brain, the more English knowledge you will attain. And of course, you need to practice what you learn. Without practice, you can forget all the vocabulary words that you pick up. Again, guys, please like my page. Also hit that subscribe button for me. And guys, please make a comment. Make a comment for me. Let me know what you think about these English vocabulary exercises so it can help me make it better for your understanding. Tell me what you would like to see more of, and it would be greatly appreciated. Have a great day. Have a great day, guys. Go out there and have a great day, and I will see you doing the next English exercise. All right.